What's going on, guys? I'm DZK. Boy, it has been a minute since I've done my last vlog. I know I promised that I was going to keep them going and everything, but so much has happened and it's just been such a weird roller coaster. Last time I checked up on you guys, I told you about my project files that had been accidentally deleted by me. I did it. I basically didn't get any of those files back. I had to start from scratch with everything. Super sucks, you know? But I grieved my project files, you know, they'll be missed. But I have been making some fire tunes in replace of them, and the most recent one that you might know would be a certain song called Empathy. By the way, is now on Spotify, Apple Music, YouTube Music, Deezer, you get the idea. Basically anywhere you can stream music, it's on there now, and that's super exciting because for the past like 2 years that I've been releasing music, I've only been able to release it on Soundcloud and YouTube because I haven't been able to get labels to, you know, sign certain songs or whatever, even though I have had a couple labels in the past want to sign a few of my tracks. I turned them down because a bunch of reasons that I'm not going to get into very much, but basically they wanted to go in a different direction, I wanted to go in a different direction, so I ended up not accepting that and just kept on releasing my music independently and stuff. But now, even if I don't get a label to sign a track in the future, which I most likely am going to, I can still release all my music on Spotify and Apple Music and iTunes and all that stuff. So that's pretty awesome. Also, it's Christmas! Well, it's not Christmas, it's the holiday. They're Moon Boy doing his Alien Invasion remix contest, and I know what you're thinking.
Oh man, DCK, he's not gonna make a song to go in that, is he?
Yeah, I am. Get some earplugs, cause this shit is going to freaking blow your mind, okay? I'm gonna give you a quick preview of what it's going to sound like, because also, if you want to hear more of the track or whatever, or if you just like awesome pictures and videos and stuff, go ahead and follow me on Instagram, link in the description, or link right here. What else is new? Oh yeah, I got my first ever MIDI controller. Well, this was my first ever controller, but this is a MIDI controller. And if you guys don't know what a MIDI controller is, which I'm almost positive you do, because who else is going to be watching this? I got the Akai, am I saying that right? Akai Professional MPK Mini, which is basically the one that everyone and their dad has. I got it because it has a little keyboard, and it has some drum pads, and it has these knobs, so it's kind of a little bit of everything when it comes to what you can do with it. Let's take a listen. Added some cool like UFO sounds in there. Damn, that's some fire tunes for you guys. I'm not going to play too much because I don't want to give it away and, you know, spoil the fun. So I'm going to leave it at that. But the purpose of this video, I completely forgot to mention that. Yes, there's a purpose to everything. The purpose to this video is I'm going to show you guys how to make some aesthetically pleasing artwork for your tunes. A lot of producers and stuff, they can have really good music and stuff, but if your artwork isn't good, then you can't really release your music independently or even on a label that requires that you have a cover for their music without, you know, paying someone to do it. But there is a way for you to make your artwork look very professional, very clean. Basically everything I'm about to show you is stuff that you can do for free. Yes, I said it. Free. So no, you don't have to have like Photoshop, any of those kind of programs. I'm trying to think of a fancy word for free. Nope. Let's get into it, shall we? Alright guys, so now I'm going to show you how to make some awesome artwork for your music. And what you're going to need is, so you're going to use this website called Canva. It's basically this website. You can use it to make basically anything that is like digital art kind of base. You can just drag stuff in. It's just super easy to use and stuff, and it's great for making simple stuff. Also, you want to use Unsplash, which is this website that houses thousands and thousands of like free photos that are super high quality, and all these different like photographers and stuff that upload all their pictures and stuff, and you can just use them for whatever you want. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna find some pics on Unsplash that you like. I'm actually gonna make an artwork from scratch with you guys so I can show you exactly how I do it. And bear in mind that each person is gonna have their own style and stuff, so I'm not necessarily showing you how to make your artwork. I'm just kind of showing you the tools that I use. Alright, so I'm gonna download this picture. You can just click that button and it just downloads. And then what you're gonna do is once it's downloaded and stuff, I'm just gonna save it to my wallpapers folder. And now I'm just going to go into Canva, and you're gonna type in CD and click CD cover, and it's gonna give you a new design I already have right here. You're gonna go to uploads, upload an image, and you can just upload any stuff that you want. It can be a PNG, it can be a JPEG, it can be a any other file, I guess. So now this is where you have to kind of get creative and know what to do and what looks good and what doesn't look good and stuff. And this is gonna take a long time to kind of figure that out for yourself, because there's not really that much that I can tell you guys to do like creatively. The only thing, the things that I will say are that you want to make sure that you have a simple, like clean, well I guess depending on what you want, it doesn't have to be simple or clean, but like something where it stands out and that you can kind of tell what it is. You can recognize it from a distance or whatever. Basically that's my rule or whatever. So I'm gonna drag this picture in here. I'm gonna resize it to what I want. Let's say I want that right there. Now looking at this picture now, I'm just now realizing that it's like blurry. So I might not want to use that one. Let's see. Let's go through some pictures I already have. Also, one thing that you want to kind of plan ahead of time is what name you're going to use for your song. So I'm going to go ahead and look at my list of song names. I'm going to just pick one so that I can just do it for this. Let's just do that. Okay, you're not alone. So depending on what you're going for or whatever, you can either choose to do one with a border or without a border. I think I'm going to do one without a border for this one. Good. Let's just leave it at that. We don't want to make it too like out there. So now that you've got that, what you're gonna do is just I'm just gonna cover one, and then you're gonna download it as a PNG. PNGs are just the best. So now what we're gonna do is we're just going to make it just completely change the color and everything to make it pop. So this is what it looks like right now, and we're going to make it look way better. So I'm going to save this to my covers folder so I can keep that organized. Now you're going to go to this website. I'm going to link all these websites in the description. It's called Film Emulator. Actually, the website's called 29a.ch. Let's try green mono. Let's see what that looks like. Oh, that looks like for a remix or something. Dude, I love that. I love all these. I love this website. Lomo? What's Lomo compared to Hong Kong? Interesting. I'm just going through random ones right now. Yeah, that kind of looks like a kind of more generic filter. Velvet 50, this is one of my favorites. Oh, look at it. It just, so good. Okay, let's try Superior 200X Pro. It's like an underwater look. Okay, I think we're gonna have to go with Hong Kong as the one for this picture. It just look at that. It's like insane, and it was the first one I picked. Oh my god. Okay, I'm just gonna turn up the brightness just a little bit. There we go. Just to remember, you want it to pop, guys. You want it to pop. Okay. So turn the temperature up. Temperature down. It's cold in space, guys. You gotta represent that. Alright, and then what you can do is you can go into settings and you can actually pick the export quality that you want. So I'm just going to do, let's just do 100. Just do like that. And now you click download. It's going to say pop-up window blocked, and then you just click this thing right here. And now you've got your artwork. And then you just save it. So this is the first one we made. It's so bland, and so the colors are just kind of, you know. And then, bam! Look at that. It's amazing. It's music worthy. The thing about like really good artwork is that like you can imagine how the song sounds by looking at the artwork, and that kind of makes you want to listen to the song. If you're scrolling through, say like, you know, looking at like a playlist or something, and you see an artwork or whatever, and you're like, oh, this artwork looks like the song will be good. Smash that like button if you guys liked this video, and comment below what other tutorials I should do in the future, or if you guys have any questions about making artwork and stuff, and I will be sure to answer them. Make sure also to hit the bell icon to get notified of when I upload new videos, because I'm going to be uploading a lot more music tutorials, vlogs, videos in general. Alright, I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.